remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. So I have a couple chorizos. I'm going to show you how to cook them. They're very simple, but I'm going to show you to cook them in such a fashion that they're also attractive visually. You know, in the past I have cooked them and fried them, and sometimes they get dark on the outside or whatever, but you know, it's a quick cook, perfectly fine, tastes delicious. But this time I'm going to use a two cooking technique, and it's very simple. First, you have to make sure they are out of the refrigerator for about 20 or so minutes, maybe 30 minutes. So it's easier to cook internally, evenly, because they are room temperature. The second thing, make sure you have water heated up. Heat that water up, because you're going to put this baby and cook them first using hot water. And you're going to cook them like you cook a hot dog, pretty much, because that allows for the inside to cook properly. About 5 or so minutes later, I'm going to get these babies out carefully, see? And I'm going to transfer them to a paper towels. And I do that because I want them to dry a little bit, because I don't want this stuff jumping here. Cast iron on medium high. Let me put a couple notches above medium. A little bit extra virgin olive oil. This is very hot. So add these babies. And you start cooking the outside a little bit. By having it in the water boiling, you cook the inside already. And actually I had it for 6 minutes there. And now what I'm doing is put them around a little bit, giving that nice looking color on the outside. Don't punch holes. Don't do any of that. Okay? About 2 minutes later, you can take them out. See how they're starting to burn a little bit? Just take them out. Let them rest for a little bit. And that's how simple it is. Don't throw the juices or oil away. You can put a little bit of vegetable oil. It's a mix, you know. But I'm using vegetable. You don't have to put a lot, but enough, you know. That's about 1/4 of a cup. What I have here are some potatoes. These potatoes, what I did with them, I cut them in rounds, put some water, and about a couple of tablespoons of vinegar. And I'm going to poach this baby. If you start getting crazy, just move it away from the heat. So what I did here, I took them out of the heat, put them in because they came from water and vinegar, otherwise it's going to start jumping. Reduce the heat to medium, and now I'm going to move them back and let them cook for a little while. Once they started softening a little bit, I just let them cook for about 3 more minutes, so they get again hard, but they're cooked now, you know? See? They're not like breaking on me or anything. And that happens because I had the heat at medium. The pan was hot, and now I reduce it for the final touch for a couple minutes, so you get that nice golden color. But they're not soft. See how they're not breaking? Soften it first, you leave them alone, and then when you start cooking for about 3 minutes, they harden it, move them around a little bit like this, and now you can do your thing. See how easy? These were white potatoes. And then the last minute, when it's almost done, have a paper towel ready in a plate, and you start transferring them there. Like this one, see? How beautiful. Put in a paper plate and do the same with the others. Nice looking chorizos. They're very nice looking. Some rice. Link in the description on how to cook rice. The potatoes, which I show you. And I have an egg. You cannot go without the egg, right? Let me add an egg here. And now we have a beautiful meal. I can show you how to cook the egg. Link in the description too.